Hey guys, it's Tomatoda. Welcome to my weekly crafting vlog series. This is different than my usual content, but I have a bunch of uncompleted projects that I've been putting off for the past 2 years, and I'm hoping by doing this vlog series, it'll pressure me to finally get all of that shit done. It is a bit overwhelming for me to finally tackle this, but I think if I take things one step at a time, I'll get through it. So the goal for each vlog is going to be to finish at least one project, which means that the series of vlogs will end once I've completed all of the projects. So please pray for my sanity and come join me while I craft and talk. Hey guys, welcome to vlog number 4. Are you excited? Because I am nervous. I realized after the second vlog that there's gonna be a lot of trial and errors in these vlog series, and that takes up most of the time. If you know or don't know, vlog number 2 was when I worked on my first project and it ended up in a fail. So I put it back into a baggie. That day, I know the vlog was only like 10-15 minutes, but it actually took me hours and hours, and just for it to end up like this, I was kind of like mentally just not having it, and so I had to just finish the vlog. But the series is about finishing backed up projects, so I just put it back into this baggie, which means you'll see it again in the future. Please forgive me. Today is going to be the first time I'm going to use a random number generator to pick a bag, because as you can see, I stickered all of them. These stickers are from an old advent calendar that I didn't even know was an advent calendar. But hey, I saved those stickers all this time to reuse it for today. I looked up a bunch of random number generators. This is the most aesthetic and cute one that I could find that I really liked, okay? And it's called 222day. You click here and you get a bunch of series of numbers, and you just generate it like this. I think the numbers are between 1 to 50 because I haven't seen any number over 50. I haven't even seen 50 on this generator yet. Another thing is that the numbers are sequenced by order, so even though they're generated randomly, it goes from lowest to highest, which means I'm gonna be starting with the lower number baggies first. 1 is the lowest and 23 is the highest. Here's the main page again. I'm gonna click. Oh, number 3. Oh, I'm so nervous. Oh, not too bad. That means I might be able to do a second project. I'm gonna take off the sticker and then paste it on here, because if I pull a number 3 again, then I know it's not available, right? So then I can skip to the next number. What these are, they are mini gacha capsules that I filled up and put little animals in here. I used polymer clay to make these animals, and I made a bunch of these. However, of course, when I first made them, I had a lot of trial and error, and the error came with the, gosh, I don't even remember anymore. Let me get out the good ones, okay? As I was looking for the good ones, I found this box labeled as small gachas. So I thought they were maybe the empty gacha balls that I bought, which I was gonna need later anyway. So I took it out and then I opened it to just confirm, and I found more unfinished babies inside. So it's not just 4. I have way more. Also, I tried to do this whole ASMR video filming me making these. That did not turn out well. I had to scrap the entire thing. I was really mad because it took so long to make them and to film them, and in the end, I just didn't really get much content out of it. Also, something I've noticed is back when I made this, I was not able to remove the clear capsule like this. The only way I could remove it was to dig a needle in here and to damage this part basically. But now I'm able to just remove it. Thing about these blank capsules is that when you do this, the way to remove it is to squeeze it. And because of the resin, you weren't able to squeeze it, which made this capsule clear part impossible to remove. Oh, fuck. What? Oh no! Now I remember why some of these were not finished. If you see this hook, it touches the head because it was a little bit too high. So for these ones, I had to make the hook go into the back so it hangs this way, even though ideally what I want is for it to look like this. Okay, so maybe they don't all come off. There we go. Yeah, now I'm curious why some of them pop off and some of them don't pop off. But either way, as a charm, if you just have it on like this, it's not gonna come off. You have to like either purposely take it off with your nails or it just doesn't come off at all. You just have to damage the top. Fingering the capsules. Next, I'm going to be using a flathead pin. And then I'm going to insert it into the hole. There's this one TikTok video that I like.
Are you going to be part of the problem or part of the solution?
I'm going to be the whole problem.
I really like that video. As a consumer, I really like TikTok because they show me what I like. I am a person who actually likes targeted ads. I hate it on Instagram when I see something that I'm very interested in, like, oh, new shop opening soon. And one time it was for this like really cool bead shop. They had all these different types of beads. And I was like, oh my gosh, I have to go there. When I clicked on it, it was for a store in Puerto Rico. Why are you gonna show me ads that I can't even do anything about? And you're probably wasting that Puerto Rican bead businesses like money showing it to me too, right? Because they charge you by the views, I think. A lot of times TikTok shows me what I like. They give me things that are closer by to my area. Like, yeah, maybe it's a 2-hour drive, but it's better than Puerto Rico. And while we're on something that maybe you might not agree with me on, because, you know, some people don't like targeted ads, I'm gonna tell you another thing I like are spoilers. Okay, before I snap it in, I'm gonna give it a good blow. Fingering and blowing. Woof. If you see that bunny, it like almost even reaches the top. Woof, woof, says the dog. Bow, wow, wow. Oh my goodness. Did you fucking see that? It cracked. Okay, well, that was a first. So this is coated in UV resin for sturdiness, and I guess it really does make it sturdy. Holy crap. What the fuck? Some of these lids are like scratched up on the inside. I guess I'm gonna have to make more lids. I wonder if I scratched it up with this when I was cleaning it, because that's what it kind of looks like. For those of you who are watching this, please learn from my mistakes. That's what I am here for. I have 6 lids here that are not in good condition, which means I'm gonna have to make new ones. I had one more snap on me right here. As much as I hate to do this, I think I'm gonna have to just throw these away because, I mean, if I can't even put a capsule on top of it, what am I? I don't know. I really don't want to throw it away. Let me just put it aside for now. And I think, though, in the future, I might end up throwing it away, but just in case. So yay! This project is finished. However, as I have already, you know, pierced these, they just weren't the best condition. I have another idea in mind where I can not waste these. I'm going to use some beads to fill them up. A bunch of these like milky ones that I don't use. All of you go in there. Just a handful of these. All right. Okay. There we go. Nice. I just remembered that I am going to actually need an assorted like selection of beads like this for a future project that's in the box. I was gonna fill up more capsules, but instead of doing that, I'm gonna save it for that other project when the number comes up. If these are squishable, that means they are openable. But so far, oh, that one I can open. Okay. You know what? I have a really, really stupid idea that I'm gonna do. I don't even know if this is gonna work. If not, worst case scenario, I'm gonna take out the beads and then dump the project. First, I am going to wrap with this washi tape just for decor because it's cute. The original project is done and that took like no time at all, right? I did think I was gonna do a second project, but as you saw, I got distracted by the whole epoxy thing. So that's gonna be my second project, I guess. No regrets for me because I'm having fun. So I did end up dipping the gacha balls a second time into the epoxy resin, and it's been 3 days since, so everything should be cured. I wasn't planning on filming today because today was gym day and I have errands to run, but when I came back from the gym, I got a notification that I got mail, and I'm really excited for this, so I wanted to unbox it with you guys. This isn't a sponsored one like the last one with the Alex acrylics. I paid for this, I didn't get this for free. If you're wondering why I'm ordering so many things, it's just because like I don't know what kind of chaos the tariffs are gonna bring in January. So I'm like kind of scrambling to stock up on inventory and then try not to order as much as possible after this. Yeah, I am not looking forward to this whole tariff shit. I ordered boxes! Just kidding. Okay, so I ordered 5 designs for these. It's something I wanted to do for a really, really long time. I just kept pushing it off until the recent election. I'm gonna go through a quality check with all of them later in the week. The last one. So I ripped this off of a product I had from Korea Daiso, like maybe almost 10 years ago. And it's basically just a mirror on the back so that you can like put it in your wallet and carry it around with you. I mean, the mirror isn't like a true mirror. It's one of those like plastic mirrors. So there is a little bit of distortion, if you know what I mean. Like this is a real mirror. There's no distortion. But if you've ever bought one of those long length mirrors from Walmart, those are like what I call fake plastic mirrors, and so depending on where you stand, your body image is gonna look warped. But hey, it's a mirror on the go. That's the purpose of these. This one is my favorite. You got shit on your face, ... Cute shit. The mirrors, they come in their own little like baggy pouch, and they have a protective film. Now that I am here sitting and filming, I will show you guys the end results of the epoxy mess. Oh, whoa, look at this. Not the image I had in my mind. So I used a lighter to kind of like even everything out, but I guess as a result, it burned the epoxy and it just cured that way. I imagined it would look more like a water drop dripping. No, this is a no. Did I waste resources? Yeah, I did have a hunch in the back of my head that this wasn't going to really work, but I was in the moment having a lot of fun, you know? It was kind of therapeutic. But now I just gotta open these and save the beads. Oh, okay, never mind. It just opened up. Yeah, so that was gonna be a fail from the start, even if I made it into a keyring. Anyways, thank you guys for watching and for coming along this journey with me. I hope you guys had fun, because I obviously did. The weather is getting colder and colder by the day, so stay warm, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye bye.